On August 21, 2017, in the small city of Keizer, Oregon, America's national pastime experienced a game interruption of literally cosmic proportions.
That was the craziest thing I've ever seen.
That was amazing. That was absolutely I'm at a loss for words.
On this day, the moon blocked out the sun, creating the first total solar eclipse to cross the entire U.S. in nearly a century. This was also the first eclipse delay professional baseball has ever seen.
And it looks like we're going to go into the delay. Get ready, folks.
Solar eclipse delay at Volcano Stadium.
None of these events happened by chance, however. While the forces of the universe were already set to provide the main attraction, this unique viewing experience was the product of great teamwork by the Salem-Keizer Volcanoes minor league baseball team and NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter mission. Over the course of a 4-day home series, representatives from NASA Goddard and LRO set up shop in Volcano Stadium. There were on-the-field science presentations, NASA videos playing on the Jumbotron, and a variety of learning opportunities taking place in booths on the concourse, creating one of the most unique science sporting events in the country. Noah Petro, the deputy project scientist for LRO, even got to fulfill a childhood dream by throwing out the ceremonial pitch. If you were a fan of baseball, lunar science, or just eager to have a clear view of a total solar eclipse, this was the place to be.
What are you looking forward to today? Is there something you're really excited about seeing?
I definitely want to see the corona, and I'm looking forward to totality.
What made you decide to come to the Volcano Stadium today for the eclipse?
Well, I really want to see the eclipse, and I also love baseball, so it's kind of a 2-in-1.
And on August 21st, after the top of the first inning, the moon and the sun did not disappoint.
Take off your glasses!
After totality had passed over the park, Noah tossed a ball all the way across the country to a similar event being held at the Charleston Riverdog Stadium, creating what could be described as a transcontinental eclipse doubleheader.
Great throw, Noah.
And while eclipse onlookers got great views of this rare event from the ground, the LRO spacecraft took a picture from space that day, showcasing an incredible view of the moon's shadow on the Earth. For both spectators and scientists alike, this total solar eclipse event was not just a hit, but a grand slam home run.
Take me out to the ball game. Take me out to the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jacks. I don't care if I ever get back, so let's root for volcanoes. They don't win, it's a shame. For it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out.